Great. Greetings everybody, Terry Backer, the naturopath from NZ, from New Zealand. We're so happy down here because we're finally getting our travel bubble now with Australia. Just got announced a few days ago, so we can now hop on a flight and go to Australia, and the Australians can fly back to New Zealand. So the Aussies and the Kiwis can now mix. I really hope that all my friends and fans in the United States soon will be able to get out of the States and fly around the world too. So hang in there, guys, it's all going to happen. Right, here's a question. Was alcohol or ethanol used in the manufacturing process? Is that on? Yeah. In the manufacturing process of Omega-3 Plus. So when I make products, I really look carefully also at how they're made, because I do appreciate the fact that many people don't drink alcohol or want no part of alcohol in their lives. But I can assure you, this is an ethanol-free process, how this product was made. So let me read out some of the steps. Okay, the fish are kept on ice for no more than 24 hours by law after catch, in this particular case, and generally processed very rapidly. To process Alaskan pollock fish, the fish is processed to remove all the fillets. Then all of the liquid, oil and water, is filtered to separate the oil and water. The water and fat-free solids are then processed into a fish meal to be used in animal feed and products like fertilizer. Nothing is wasted of the fish. Once the fish oil has been extracted, the fish oil goes through a low temperature, low oxidation distillation process where mercury, heavy metals, dioxins, PCBs and pollutants are removed from the oil and it's purified. So that's basically a molecular distillation process, where basically the EPA and DHA is concentrated and rubbish is taken out that we don't want. And also odors are basically taken down to virtually nothing through that process. The oil is then filtered multiple times to separate EPA and DHA, and is then recombined so each capsule ends up with the exact perfect ratio of EPA and DHA for maximum absorption. Excuse me, no alcohol or ethanol is required for any of this process. After that, the fish oil is mixed with antioxidants, astaxanthin, or the algae, the red color you see in the capsule, fish gelatin and other ingredients, and then it's turned into gel capsules. So it's quite a simple process, but I can assure you there was no alcohol used. Thanks for the question.